In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hunter's Mirror in Dead Cells. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Hunter's Mirror is an upgrade offered by the collector, so if needed, acquire it from the collector. After you have unlocked the Hunter's Mirror, its usage will be to discover certain enemies or bosses that might have a blueprint that you still need to acquire. So after it is unlocked, a mirror appears at the start of the prisoner's quarters next to the scribe. So if you go over to the scribe and you look besides it, you will be able to find the mirror. Now, when you interact with the mirror, it is going to show a random enemy or boss that carries a blueprint not currently acquired. It does not show any items that cannot be unlocked at the current set difficulty level, but it can show enemies from inaccessible biomes. So in this example here, you can see these sort of tentacles, these patterns in the mirror. So this is an actual enemy. As you can see, it is a giant tick, and you can know that it is the giant tick because the patterns here match, so you can clearly see it here. You can move around to kind of zoom in and out and see different parts of the enemy, and then all that you have to do is go kill this enemy, defeat it to acquire the blueprint. Of course, if you don't know every single enemy off the top of your head, then the best course of action is to visit the wiki and try to compare what you are seeing in the mirror with all of the enemies available in Dead Cells. But it is a very simple and easy to use tool. You go ahead, you interact with the mirror, it is going to show an enemy on the mirror itself, and then you can go defeat that enemy or boss to acquire a blueprint that you still do not have. So simple to do. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if this video helped you, I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.